Hi friends, welcome to Exam Droid, your study partner. My name is Nav and today we will discuss the most important current affairs of 10 January. Recently, a well-preserved rhino from the Ice Age is recovered from which country? The correct answer is Russia. This well-preserved rhino is discovered in Russia's extreme north in Siberia and most of its internal organs are intact. Talking about Russia, the president is Vladimir Putin, the capital is Moscow and the currency is Russian ruble. Who has been appointed as the Deputy Chief of Army Staff? The correct answer is Shantanu Dayal. Shantanu Dayal is appointed as the new Deputy Chief of Army Staff. Some key information about Indian Army. It is headquartered in New Delhi. The Chief of Army Staff is General Manoj Mukund Narwane. The Commander-in-Chief is President Ramnath Kovind. Which country has started the world's first hospital train? The correct answer is India. India has started the world's first hospital train, and the name of this train is Jeevan Rekha Express or Lifeline Express. And the train covers India's remote areas in order to provide free treatment to people in need. And currently, it is stationed in Assam's Badarpur Junction. This seven-coach train, hospital train, is a joint initiative by Indian Railways, Impact India Foundation, and Ministry of Health. The second edition of Khelo India Winter Games will be held in which location? The correct answer is Gulmarg. The second edition of Khelo India Winter Games will be held in Gulmarg in Jammu Kashmir. Sports like snowboarding, snowshoe, ice stock, ice hockey, etc. will be included in this game. And the Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports of India is Kiran Rijiju. Recently, John Fulton Reid died at the age of 64. He was related to which sports? The correct answer is cricket. He was one of the finest test batsmen of New Zealand. Talking about New Zealand, the Prime Minister is Jacinda Ardern and the capital is Wellington. Which bank has released Global Economic Prospect 2021? The correct answer is World Bank. World Bank has released Global Economic Prospect 2021. Some key information about World Bank. It was founded in July 1944. The president is David Malpass and the headquarters is in Washington, D.C., United States. Which company has launched Insight tools for the travel industry in India? The correct answer is Google. Google has launched a insight tool called Travel Insights with Google for helping hotels to understand from where their customers are coming and give them tools, advice, and tips for making their business online. Talking about Google, it is headquartered in Mountain View, California, in United States, and it was founded in 4 September 1998. The current CEO of Google is Sundar Pichai, and the parent organization is Alphabet. Which state will host 4th Global Ayurveda Festival? The correct answer is Kerala. Kerala will host the 4th Global Ayurveda Festival. And this will start through a virtual meet from March 12 to 19. And this will mainly focus on the relevance of Ayurveda in the post-COVID-19 world and the potential of Ayurveda in enhancing immunity. The capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. The governor is Arif Mohammad Khan and the chief minister is Pinarayi Vijayan. For a period of how many years India becomes co-chair of Asia Protected Areas Partnership? The correct answer is 3 years. India will co-chair Asia Protected Areas Partnership for 3 years. And India will replace South Korea as a co-chair. And the responsibility of India is to assist other Asian countries in managing their protected areas. Who is the author of the book My Years with Rajiv, Triumph and Tragedy? The correct answer is Wajahad Habibullah. He was India's first Chief Information Commissioner and Rajiv Gandhi's schoolmate from Doon. He was also the chairperson of the National Commission for Minorities. Pimpri Chinchwad Municipal Corporation recently signed an MOU with which organization in order to create India's first social impact bond? The correct answer is UNDP India. It has signed an MOU with UNDP India to create India's first social impact bond. And this social impact bond will support PCMC in improving healthcare services for its citizens. The full form of UNDP is United Nations Development Programme, and it is headquartered in New York, and the current head is Achim Steiner. Which company will supply laser dazzlers to the Indian Navy? The correct answer is Bharat Electronics. Bharat Electronics will supply laser dazzlers. Laser dazzler is used as a non-lethal method for stopping suspicious vehicles, aircraft, and unmanned aerial vehicles from approaching secured areas. Talking about Bharat Electronics, it is headquartered in Bangalore, founded in 1954, and the current chairman and managing director is M.V. Gautama. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more such current affairs. Thank you.